In this video, I'll show you how to create a well-found profile. Welcome back everyone to a new guide video. If you already have an account of Wellfound, then in the process of creating an account, you already will have the section of adding in your profile. But if you haven't yet completed or need to make changes to your profile, you can also do that by clicking on the profile icon on the top and then heading over to edit profile. Make sure that you're inside or selected the profile option, and this is exactly all of the sections that you can manage. Make sure that your information is correct and up to date. Add in your name, your location, as well as your role, as well as a detailed bio about yourself. Make sure you add in your results as well as your achievements that are easily highlighted. If you do have all of these options, make sure you add in your links as well so that the employers can visit. Make sure to also add in your work experience as well as your location and as well as your skills. On the achievement side of things, also make sure to show results as well as show the things that you've done or the achievements that you made throughout your career. Once you complete this entire profile, you also need to make sure that you upload your resume as well as select your preferences. Once you have your entire profile up to date, you can click on the Update Now option on the top. So that is the exact way that you create a profile or update your profile inside of Wellfound. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.